day be filled with joy, laughter, and all the things you love. May your 7th year be full of new adventures and discoveries. Be humble always. I love you.
Okay, wala ka mga picture po tayo, teacher. Alright, next. Okay, get ready. Teacher J.Ann.
Ang dami mga bago sa ating mga teachers. Mga estudyante. So, to our sweetest Kimi, as you bid goodbye to the age of 6, a new adventures awaits, diba? So, may all your days forward be filled with courage and strength, no, to be strong sa lahat ng adventures na mayroon along the way. And may you continue to grow in faith in God and continue to be respectful with your parents and all the people around you. Again, happy birthday.
Yes, thank you so much, teacher. Picture po muna kayo na Kimi na bibigay. Alright, smile. Okay, next. Okay, please come forward, teacher Mirna.
Actually, mag-quiz tayo. Happy 7th birthday, Kimi. May your birthday be the start of a year where your dreams take flight and your joys multiply. May this year be filled with fun, adventures, new friends, and lots of love. And all your wishes come true. Again, have a wonderful birthday, Kimi. God bless you.
Thank you so much, teacher. Picture po tayo, teacher Mirna. Okay, next. Okay, get ready. Teacher Ka.
Hello, Kimi. Happiest 7th birthday na. May your heart desire will be fulfilled. And welcome to 7th. Welcome for your new adventure. And sana marami ka pang ma-discover. And tuloy-tuloy lang yung mga achievements mo. Wish you always.
Taga-video.
Yes, thank you so much, teacher Ka. Teacher pa, teacher Ka.
Kaganda lahat ng
Alright, next. Alright, please come forward. Teacher Carmela.
Dapat kasi hindi ko eh. Ito guys, hindi na. Hindi na. Dapat simula kanina. Hindi ko na try. May power bank ako dyan.
Kimi. So, wala akong kakabit. Wala akong papel. So, happy birthday, Ate Kimi. So, sa mga unang araw na nakilala ka, naramdaman ko na ikaw ay isang bata na sweet at hindi natatakot na bumati sino man yung iyong kasalamuhan. Sana maging bata ka na masunuri, mas masunuri pa sa iyong mga magulang, maging mabait, at patuloy na maging pagpapala sa lahat ng mga bata o tao na iyong kasalamuhan. Always be sweet pa rin sa iyo kahit magkaedad ka na. Lumaki ka na matalino, magaling, mahusay. At kung nakalimutan kahit gano'n pa katake na nalalaman mo, manatilig ka pa rin na humble na sa iyong mga kaibigan sa lahat ng nakakilala sa birthday, Ate Kimi. God bless you.
Bakit mo ako natalo pala yan? Gawat na kanina.
Alright, palakpakan natin. Thank you so much, teacher. And next is the forward, Monica.
Ito baliktad.
Happy 7th birthday. Sana po.
Baliktad yung birthday.
Stay happy. Humble. A sweet love is daughter of Tito and Jill and thank you and sana keep up.